Hello, welcome to Tech Stack Labs. Artificial intelligent metrics sound complicated. Accuracy, precision, recall, confusion, matrix. But they all answer one simple question. Is our AI making the right decisions in the real world? Let's understand this using the simplest example possible. Apples and oranges. Meet Roy. Roy is a product manager working on an AI system that classifies fruits in a warehouse. The AI looks at each fruit and decides apple or orange. Before measuring the AI, Roy first defines reality. This is called the actual score, or ground truth. Humans manually check every fruit. Out of 100 fruits, 80 are apples, 20 are oranges. This is the truth the AI will be judged against. Now, the AI makes predictions on the same 100 fruits. Some predictions are correct, some are wrong. To understand this clearly, Roy uses something called a confusion matrix. A confusion matrix compares two things: what the fruit actually was and what the AI predicted. In our example, 70 apples were correctly identified, 10 apples were missed. 5 oranges were wrongly called apples. 15 oranges were correctly identified. Accuracy asks, out of everything, how often was the AI correct? Spoken formula. Accuracy equals correct predictions divided by total predictions. Applied here. The AI got 85 out of 100 right. So accuracy is 85%. Recall focuses only on real apples. It asks, out of all actual apples, how many did the AI find? Spoken formula, recall equals correctly found apples divided by all real apples. Applied, the AI found 70 out of 80 apples. That's a recall of 87.5%. Precision asks a different question. When the AI says apple, how often is it correct? Spoken formula. Precision equals correct apple predictions divided by all apple predictions. Applied, out of 75 predicted apples, 70 were correct. Precision is 93%. Accuracy tells you how good you look. Precision tells you how trustworthy you are. Recall tells you what you're missing. And the confusion matrix shows where the mistakes actually happen. That's how Roy decides if the AI is ready to ship.